I was sitting on a wooden stool in a barbecue joint in Tennessee when this old boy walked in and he sat right down next to me. I could tell he'd been through some hard times. Take it in but don't look down, 'cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey, been holding it in for a while, hey. Take you with me if I can, been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
Ooh, I'm back! Oh. I totally smashed my hand into the ceiling a little bit, but I am back with a new video for you guys, and I'm so excited for you to see this video because it is kind of my first fall video. And in today's video I'm gonna be presenting a look that I created that I think is just so stunning for the fall time, including the latest fall trends for 2015. And I must say that I am in love with this look. It's just perfect, and I will probably be wearing this makeup and kind of the same type of outfit the whole fall time because I am obsessed with it. So if you guys are excited for fall time like I am, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. And yeah, without further ado, let's slide into the video. Or maybe that way. I don't know. Slide into the video. I'm starting off by applying my new favorite foundation from Maybelline from their Better Skin collection and applying it all over my face and neck with a dense foundation brush. You like making me wait for it. I feel like I could die walking up to the room. After that, I'm applying my Fit Me concealer to wherever needed to make my face look more flawless and blending it out with my beauty blender. And then to set it all, I'm applying my Fit Me pressed powder. For the fall time, I love to define my face a little bit more than I usually do. So to get that, I'm applying my bronzing powder to under my cheekbones, and I'm also applying it to under my jawline and down my neck. And then for blush, I'm using a cream blush from Isadora in the shade Vintage Rose that I'm just stroking onto the apples of my cheeks and then blending it out up towards my temples. Then moving on to the eye makeup. As always, I'm starting off by filling in my brows with my Anastasia brow powder. But new to my brow routine is that after I fill them in, I'm applying a coat of my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel just to lock in the color and to keep my brows in place all day long. The shadow palette that I'm using for today's look is by Isadora in the shade Urban Green, but you can obviously use any type of eyeshadows that you have that is similar to the shades that I'm using. So step 1 to get this moss green smoky eye look is to apply a bright green shadow to the inner corner. Then I'm applying a slightly darker green grayish shadow onto the outer half of the lid and working it into the crease. Then I am picking up a grayish brown shadow and applying it right into the crease and along my lower lashes. And to fade out the harsh line, I'm going over the shadow line with a bright shimmery shadow that will also work as a highlighter for the brow bone. And after that, I'm just lining my upper and lower lash line to define my eyes even more. Then I'm just applying a green eyeliner to my tight line and a white eyeliner to my waterline. And the last step for the eye makeup is to curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara. Then I'm just finishing off the makeup by lining my lips with my lip liner from Isadora in the shade Plum, and then my Isadora Twist Up Gloss Stick in the shade Wine Red. As for the hair, I'm just going with curls because I just feel like you can never ever go wrong with those loose curls for the fall time. So just go ahead and curl your whole hair, but do not forget to apply your heat protection because we do not want to burn our hair. Once I am done curling my whole hair, I'm just brushing through my hair with my fingers to make them really loose and give them more volume. Pictures. Getting caught. For this fall, forget about the skinny jeans. It is all about bootcut now. I've been really obsessed with bootcut jeans for so long. They just make my leg look so long and cute. And I got mine at Gina Tricot. And as for top, I'm wearing a turtleneck that's also from Gina Tricot. Then to define my waist a little bit, I decided to wear a braided brown belt from H&M. And then of course I just had to get a cute hat for this fall, and mine is from H&M as well. And then my super cute shoes are from DNA. And that was it for this time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this look in the comment section below, and also let me know what your fall essentials are. If you have like hats or scarves, or I don't know, it can be anything. If you have any specific like fall essential, then just leave them in the comments below. For me, if you put like makeup and clothing aside, I am so obsessed with candles. I love to lighting candles for fall time because it's just so warm and cozy. And I actually have lit some candles behind me right there. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos coming up very soon. Bye! Shot!